One of the hardest weapon systems to defend against on today's battlefield are small drones flying with explosive material. As Ukraine has adopted this to great success, Russia has struggled to keep up. But as they still have some success, luckily for Ukraine, this time was not a success story, as this Russian FPV drone came in way too short to hit the Humvee. It just takes a few seconds before the drone can be spotted, and before it hits the ground too short, mostly due to one or more of three reasons. These are that the video feed can be interrupted or too poor when going down for the hit, making the drone to lose signal, which result in the operator flying blind in the last few moments. Or possibly Ukrainian electronic warfare interfered with the signal for the drone, making it inoperable, or thirdly that the drone operator just wasn't skilled, missing due to poor performance. Either way, the Ukrainian Humvee could keep going on its mission, leaving a little more Ukrainian equipment for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.